Hi all, I'm going to cover trend and breaker structure. I'm going to do it in one video because it's all linked in. Okay, so the market moves three ways. Okay, it moves up, okay, like this, and it also moves down like this, and it also does sideways, which is consolidation. Okay, this is what you want to stay away from. So to show breaker structure, what I'm going to do now, okay, so as the market's moving up, okay, it creates new higher highs, higher low, and then higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, which would then give you trending up. Breaker structure, okay, is this high here is being broken by this line here, creating a new higher high. So this is not the higher high now, because this is it and this is the higher low. Okay, so as it comes up, it breaks it here, so this would become the new higher high, new higher low. As it goes up, comes back down again. Okay, this is still the higher high, but then this will be the new higher low. As it pushes up, break structure, then this would be the higher low, higher high, and this would be classed as breaker structure because it's broken, okay, the previous high. Now that we class as trending up. So as it breaks structure as the previous high, it's showing that it wants to carry on up, and what it does then, it will do like a pullback, okay, and as it goes up, okay, it comes back down to an area which we'll go through later, point of interest, and then go up again. And then again, this shows it's broke this high, so this would be the new higher high and new higher low. Let me do the trending down. Trending down is exactly the same. Okay, as it's going down, it's breaking. What I'll do, sorry, I will say I've got a reversal here. I'll do one from here. See, it gets to this point here. Okay, it comes down. Okay, and it's breaking structure of the previous low here, going back up. So this would create, okay, a lower low, a higher low. Okay, lower high, and then a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay, so as you can see, it's breaker structure. Okay, let's move these across. Okay, it's broke this one here, so it's showing it wants to go back down now because it's broke this low here, going back down. This is the new lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, because what it's doing is breaking the previous low to create a new lower low. Do you get me? Okay, and as it pulls back, you look for areas point of interest here, and then get in and then go down. And it's just showing that this wants to travel down because it's breaking previous lows. As it breaks previous lows, this is now trending down because it's breaking previous lows. That makes sense. Trending up, breaking previous highs. Okay, trending down, breaking previous low here to reversal, pushing back up, breaking this low here, creating a new lower low, pushing back, breaking a new lower low here, breaking this low here, which then give this a lower low and a lower high here, again, so on and back down. That is basically trending down, trending up. Okay, sideways, it doesn't create any new higher highs or any lows, it just sits here like this. Right, I'm going to show you on the charts now what I mean quickly. So I'm just going to get a chart ready now. Give us 2 seconds. Okay, so you've come to the charts now, and look, it's breaking previous highs. So just checking. So you've got breaker structure there. It's showing it's going up. Okay, so you play it out a little bit. Now you know it's trending up, so you're looking to push down. Okay, so we play it a little bit. All right, and then it starts dropping. Okay, now, okay, you've got a breaker structure here, internal, so you're looking, well, okay, it could be reversing. Now, if it breaks the top of this one, okay, then it could be carrying up. But if it keeps going down, pushes that down again. So what I normally do, let it break the first one, so it's creating a new lower low. Okay, it's got a lower high here, lower low here. At the moment, this is still trending up because we don't know exactly what it's going to do. It could just pull back here and then go up. So we just see if it breaks this line up here, then it will be carrying up. So let it play. Okay. Okay. So now we've got a new, there you go, another one there. So you've got a low there, and it's broke again. So now it's started trending down. You're saying, okay, it's trending down. Okay, so we let it play. So now we've got a new, we've got a lower low here and a lower high here. Okay, so let it play out again. Again. Okay, so there you go. We've got another breaker structure. So that to me is now creating, is trending down now. Okay, great. I'll just pause this slightly. So you've got lower high there, lower low here. Okay. So now my line for this is here. Okay, so it breaks this one. So at the moment you've got, it's trending down. Okay, now it's broke again. So let's see what we do, carry on up. So it's trending down low. There's a lower high there, lower low here. Okay, now this will be the low here. So there's my range. Now again it broke again. Okay, now pause that slightly. You've got the lower high there, lower low here. So it's trending down. Okay, so now you're just looking, and as you know it's trending down, and you're looking for sells in certain areas, which is like a pullback. So here, and then looking for sells of this way here. But we'll go through that in a minute. I just want to show you breaker structure. As you can see, it's creating new lows here, lower highs, lower lows. Okay, and then pull back a little bit. This broke that, so that means this will be a lower low, lower high. Pull back again, broke there again, so this will be another lower low here, lower high there. So this is showing this is trending down. Okay, does that make sense? So now you can work out on a higher time frame what's trending up or one trending down. Okay, right, so I hope that makes sense, guys. So breaker structure, you understand that, and you can then work out what's trending and what's not trending. So I hope that makes sense. So if it's not breaking previous highs, previous lows, and just going sideways, then it's consolidation. So I'll show you, find one where it's got consolidation. We'll find something with a bit of consolidation. I don't know if I can find anything. I've got anything that's good basically. It's trending up, trending up, trending up, trending down there. Okay, here's a little bit here. Maybe get away with this. Right, okay. So, for instance, you came to the charts, it's not really doing much. And what I like to do, if I can box it, then it's consolidation. Look, it's just doing that sideways. Okay, and then it pushed out. Alright, so to me, I wouldn't be touching that. And then another bit here as well. If you just push this along here, look, you can box it, and it pushed out a bit. Didn't do really much either. So that's basically it. So just want to show you breaker structure. I hope that makes sense. Okay, like I said, it does three things. It's going left, it's going sideways, it's going up, and it's going down. And if it's going up, it's breaking previous highs. If it's going down, it's going breaking previous lows, which then will continue down. And then you're looking for a pullback into an area, which I'll go over a bit later. Hope you liked the video. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.